Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I have some Happy Mail here. So let's get to the unboxing. I already opened up this envelope from Plum Soul Studio. They are having a going out of business sale. As far as I know, the sale was supposed to end June 30th, but I think they are still selling a few things. I'm not sure what's going on there, but I was able to grab a few items after the 30th. I think I placed this order on the 4th or around that. Let's see. No, I placed the order on July 1st. So, yeah, and I checked just the other day and their website showed that the products were still active. So, I'm guessing you can still order. So, this is a freebie. It says it's a girly summer. Cute. Now, I did order things that I can't use right now, or I probably wouldn't use right now. I did order some Juneteenth stickers that I missed. I don't know why I didn't see them previously, but I didn't. So this is one of the Juneteenth stickers. Then this sheet here. So I'll have plenty for next year. Hopefully, I will remember. I will put them in my holiday sticker storage, so hopefully I'll remember. But I thought these were really cute for Juneteenth. Okay, so I got those. Then for summer, got both colors here. A lot of their deco stickers or kits, I don't know if they call them kits, but a lot of their sheets come in a variety of colors. So I got this lime green color and this golden color. I don't know what the actual name is. And I love a big floppy hat. So I got this one in black, this one in white. So the two colors. So this is another one with the floppy hat for the summer again. And then these, I believe, are freebies. Yes. So got these little dolls, exercise fitness dolls. Then this one is good for the summer. And then this one, also paper, is a buy more stickers doll. This is cute too. So that is everything that I got from Plum Soul Studio. I do have a code for them. I think it still works. It's in the description box below if you want to go over and check them out. If they are still, I'll leave that with that. If they are still selling, you may be able to find some really good deals over there with the going out of business sale. All right. So that's Plum Soul Studio. Then here we have a package from Cocos Vision. There is a doll sticker on the front that I want to salvage. Let me see if I can show you without showing information. So this doll sticker, I'm going to put the heat tool to it and get that off, and you'll probably see that sticker in an upcoming Plan With Me video. Okay, let's move this out of the way for now too. So all of this is Cocos Vision. And I do have a discount code for them as well. All of the information will be in the description box below. This looks like a freebie that got hung on the plastic. There we go. So a little sampler freebie. This is a lot. Okay. So we have Netta, Miami, Trinity, Brooklyn. I love the colors. I'm trying to do more bright colors. So Alina, I think I have her maybe in a different color. I think it's Deja, Beth, Sandy, like this color too. Andrea, super bright. This, oops, this job is BS. I think I remember her. Layla, Aaliyah, Desi, Royce, Melanin Maid, Melody. I think I want to use this one. coming up soon. Let me set her aside because that's different. Tamikia, I think that's right how I said it. Pray about everything. I have her. Prince, Chandra, love the striped pants. Then we have Zara, like the purple. Nico, Venetia, these are more summery. Haisha, look at Mary J. Mary J. Yashikia, Parker, I like her top, that's cute. Nicole, I have her. Ziora, all black. Shannon and Diara, I don't know. Anywho, these are awesome dolls. It's gonna get me through. I love the colors. It's a nice variety of colors here. So I can have a doll to pretty much go with any color scheme that I choose for a spread. These are large, so they'll work good in larger planners. I would say B6 and up would be perfect with these. And depending on how much room you need, you could use it in a smaller planner too. Yeah, these are probably the perfect size, like for a classic or big. And then you have the smaller ones for your smaller planners. And I think even these will fit in like a passport, pocket size, no problem. Personal size, A6. These are great. So I'm going to leave her on top. Lots to play with for the summer here. That's again Cocos Vision. The link and discount code will be in the description box below. Now, this is actual real Happy Meal from Real Talk, Real Plans. So I'm just going to go ahead and dive in. And I to show any information. Dun 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 dun. Woo, look at that. Passion Planner Daily Amethyst Dream. Oh, there's a note inside. It's so pretty. Wow. Okay. The note says, you are an inspiration to so many. Stay in the house and hydrate so you can heal. We love you. Ooh, the sticker. Oh, this is awesome. Okay. So these are Real Talk, Real Plan stickers. I always forget. I don't forget the Sunday show. If you don't know, Real Talk, Real Plans is a podcast about planning, of course, with Riri and Coco, Real Talk, Real Plans. And the show comes on at 9 p.m. Eastern on Sundays. I try to post whenever I have a graphic or a flyer to post to kind of remind everyone. But now I can just put a sticker in my planner too to help remind me. I also forget the midweek update on Instagram from Real Talk Real Plans Erica. And it comes on I think it's 7:45. I even set myself an alarm in my phone so I won't forget cuz yeah, I'll sit down and say, "Oh, I'm going to watch it." 7:45 on Thursdays. Sit down, say I'm gonna watch, and then something happens and I get distracted, and then I end up having to catch the replay. But I like to watch it live when I can. So these will be helpful. Ooh, messy, not malicious. That's their like quotes. And then these Monday through Sunday, you got the months and the rainbow colors. Don't touch my pens, coffee cups, holiday cups. Let It Be Known stickers. I don't know of that company. I have to check them out. I like the way the stickers feel. Really nice. This is cool. Okay. All right. So, to the main thing, this is the Amethyst Dream. Passion Planner Daily, Undated Daily Planner, 93 days, A5. Let's have a look. See, there's a lot of instructions here in the front on how to use it. I'm thinking it's not going to lay flat, but we'll see when we get to the main part. Write your own ideas here. Free space inspiration. Just start date, started date completed. Your passion roadmap, the month's game changer goal. Ooh, so you get the vertical months. So this is January through June, then July through December. Then this looks like the monthly calendar. Self check-in. This month's goal changers. So this is the months, and it just repeats for all of the months. How many months do you get? It's 93 days. How many? So it's probably just 3 months. Space of infinite possibilities. Are these the days? Yeah, they are. I'll probably end up using this for something other than what it was intended, but it is daily. It's got the time, so 5 to 11. So I'm guessing that would be 5 a.m. to 11 p.m., but it doesn't have a.m. or p.m., so you can switch them however you want to, use them. So yeah, let's see what's in the back. So you get a few dot grid pages in the back, designed in California, printed in China. Okay, wait. It has a pocket, and it's not your typical paper pocket. It's satin, purple satin. And then these passion planner, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to start. And let's go on and take this off, I guess. Wow. Okay. Time to celebrate. You have come so far, and we are so proud of you. So this is the daily layout. Let me look at it a little closer. Today's focus, the date, the time, my game changer goal, personal work, free space to grow, self-maintenance. Best thing that happened today, I learned today in one word, and move. I like that. I wonder if should give up a couple of months in my Walmart planner and jump in the passion planner. Let me know what you think in the comments below, or should I just keep going with the Walmart and save this for when I am done? I don't understand this front section. Let me look at it again. So you get the month, people to see, places to go, things to learn, self check-in, memorable moments, what's on your mind, accomplishments I'm proud of, how I've grown, biggest lessons, this month's game changer goal. Okay. And then we get another month. So that's 3, 4, 4 months. Real interesting. And then the rest of this is days. And then the beautiful bright lime green ribbon page marker bookmark. This is what the font looks like. I guess I didn't show you. I just dove in. And it's got like this faux leather cover. It's very nice. All right. Thank you, Erica. It's beautiful. Now I got to figure out how I want to implement it because I'm not sure I want to give up my little Walmart daily planner. So we'll see what happens. If anybody has any suggestions, let me know in the comments below how I should use it. I don't know if I'm ready to make a switch. Maybe I'll switch for October, November, and December. I think that might be good. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Then I can start collecting all of my stickers because I'm going to have to really do it up for those 3 months. All right. Oh, and it has the elastic closure, which is nice. Okay. Let me know what you think. Thanks again, Erica. And thanks for the stickers. I need these. These are from Cocos Vision, and this is from Plum Soul Studio. Go over and check both of them out and tell them that I sent you. Again, the codes and links will be in the description box below. I'll also link to Real Talk Real Plans podcast, and I'll put their Instagram in the description box below so you can go over and check them out, give them a follow. Make sure you attend the midweek check-ins. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.